Want to boost your health and energy with simple, delicious foods? Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They help reduce the risk of chronic diseases and improve overall health. Try adding them to your smoothies, salads, or as a side dish to your meals. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are antioxidant powerhouses. They help fight inflammation and protect your cells from damage. Enjoy them as a snack, in your breakfast cereal, or blended into a smoothie. Lean proteins like chicken, fish, and tofu are essential for muscle repair and growth. They provide the building blocks your body needs to stay strong and healthy. Incorporate them into your meals by grilling, baking, or stir-frying. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats are excellent sources of fiber and nutrients. They help maintain a healthy digestive system and keep you feeling full longer. Healthy snacks like nuts, seeds, and yogurt can keep your energy levels up throughout the day. Remember to choose whole, unprocessed foods for the best health benefits. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and comment below on your favorite healthy food. Stay healthy and happy.